Good morning friends, it's Martin here. Now I thought I'd share a bit of behind the scenes, what it's like being a coach that can work from anywhere. So today I'm in Bali, Ubud, and you can probably see the stream here. It's very beautiful where I am at the moment, the Kayon Resort. And I'll just show you quickly around. But yeah, one of the things I love about coaching is it gives you the freedom to work, where you want. And I just love coming to places like this. Like I'll be here for about a week, and I'll show you my office. Well, I haven't got my computer out at the moment, but that's where I work from, just here, and I coach clients from there. So yeah, it's very nice. I had a fantastic sleep last night, so I'm very happy about that. I just actually finished a nice healthy breakfast, so that was awesome. Anyway, this is the bathroom. See, it's quite beautiful, very relaxing. It's a good place to come anyway, just to clear the head and just to recharge the batteries and heal oneself, I guess, in a way. It's very therapeutic. So I'll just show you what you can see outside. You might be able to get the stream there. So hopefully you can see that. But yeah, it's got a very decent sized bathtub, and I was in there last night relaxing, so it's all good. Anyway, I won't take up too much of your time. I know you're very busy, and just wanted to show you this quick clip and lifestyle of someone that travels and coaches. Thanks for listening. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Bye.